That's too good. What it is, what it ain't, what it's gonna be, YouTube. It's your man, Major Payne, and we about to bring y'all oldie but a goodie. About to cook up some peach cobbler. You already know what it is. I'm about to show y'all the ingredients, and we gonna whip it up real nice and simple.
Fresh ingredients.
So I got all my ingredients, I got my utensils, and we about to hook it up, y'all. We already got the oven preheated on 425, so we got that already going. Now you got your cans of peaches right here. Like I said, 3 cans of peaches, real simple. Bam, got that already on. It's on 7 right now. Y'all hear that sizzle? Already. Pouring the juice in, pouring the peaches in real quick. Bam, easy. Make sure y'all have a clean kitchen. A clean kitchen. Y'all always want to cook in a clean kitchen, because that's nasty. So like I said, we're gonna have half a stick of butter. Bam, throw that in there. Also, you need 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Make sure y'all pouring this nutmeg. Bam. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, tablespoon, my bad, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. And you got 1 tablespoon of that good old cinnamon. Bam, easy. And then, a cup of sugar. It's so simple, it's so simple. And to top it off, boom, vanilla. That ain't no secret, it just is what it is. Watch out now. Dry ingredients. And then we're gonna put the milk in. Dry ingredients. You got self-rising flour. Self-rising flour. Do not get regular flour. Self-rising flour. 1.5 cups self-rising flour. Bam. Your dry ingredients right there. Give me my 1/2 cup. Real easy. And a cup of sugar. Put a little more in there. Just cut it. Boom. Don't tell nobody. Cup of sugar. You stir that up real good. And then you want 1.5 cups of milk. 1.5 cups of milk. This recipe is so easy, so easy. And see that? 1.5 cups of milk. Boom. We ain't even stop here. 1.5 cups of milk. Y'all pour that on up in there. Right in there. Bam. It's too easy. Anybody can do it. Show your kids how to do it. Grandmas, grandpas, aunties, whatever the case may be. Put that in there just like that. I'm gonna keep stirring this up a little bit. All right, here go that pot. Stirring up, them peaches looking good, that butter in there. It's looking real good, it's smelling good. Now you can use real peaches if you want to. I'm just doing this because it's real quick and easy. Anybody can make it. This is not a hard recipe. Very easy recipe. Y'all see how that butter melted? Look at that. That butter melted real nice like. All right, we're gonna take that out. Bam. Put that right there. Then we're gonna start to pour our batter. Like I said, this is real easy to make. This is not a hard recipe. Look at that. And golden peaches. Man. That's gonna be real good. good. All that good juice right there. Ooh, can you see that? That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna put that in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. Make sure y'all set y'all timer, and we'll be back. Like 40 minutes. Look at that. Oh man, it's rising up right now. It's getting ready. That's that self-rising flour, y'all. That's real nice. That's looking good.
Don't you want a little taste of the glory? See what it tastes like.
All right, y'all, it's the moment of truth. We got about like 45 seconds left, and we about to take it out. Look at it, it's looking real good right now. We're gonna let that timer, look at that. We're gonna let that timer beep, and then we're gonna pull it out. Just like I thought, you know. I'm the what did you call it? The chef scientist, the scientist chef. We're about to get it in here. Don't worry about the time. We already know it's already good. Clear that. I can smell it. You smell that, Mom? Look at that. Ooh-wee. Y'all don't know what y'all doing out here. Woo! You already know this is about to be good. I trust me. That's too good. What it is, what it ain't, what it's gonna be. Till later, y'all.
Don't you want a little taste of the glory? See what it tastes like.